Hello guys! For today's video, ayan, i-share ko sa inyo ang aming gala ng aking daddy. Nag-Saturday na naman kami at super gala kami papuntang South Carolina. Hi guys! Ayan, we're here in San Myrtle Beach, right? So we're looking for our breakfast. So there's a lot of fast food here that are all American brands. BJ's. Yeah, I think where we visited the last time here before, right?
Yeah, BJ's. Yeah.
Oh, BJ's.
We'll come back there today too to get.
Yeah.
We can afford cucumbers there.
Yeah, it's too.
Cucumbers are $5.99 for the same bag you get here for $1.99.
Yeah. Take Scobie Road. Ayan, so dito kami mag-breakfast sa Bob Evans. Bob Evans.
I worked for these people 1 week.
Ayan, nandito na kami sa Bob Evans para mag-breakfast ni Daddy. O diba? Nag-work pala siya dito mga 1 week lang. Pero umalis din ng kanyang kabataan pa. Ayan, ito ano pala to? Sorry, tindahan ng mga Yan yung aking order dahil wala siyang pork. Si Daddy, ayman ko sa kanya. Honey butter chicken with French toast and biscuits, and this one, what do you call this one?
Potatoes.
Potatoes.
Farm potatoes, eggs.
Bacon. O diba? Brunch namin ni Daddy. Ayan. O diba? Nakakain na kami ng brunch. Then baka 4 o'clock kami nito mag-early dinner. So we're heading na papunta sa aming pupuntahan si Charleston. O diba guys? Ryan ho. Nagkang din simbalay. Ayan, papunta na kami sa Charleston. Churchtown or Charleston. Basta. Going there. The hidden pine trails of the forest. The sunset berries of the earth. O diba? Ang ganda dito guys. Ayan, alam nyo ba guys, walang naglalakad dito sa kalsada ng Amerika. Bihirang bihira dito sa ganito, 'di ba? May mga ayun meron isa pero parang lang. Bihira lang talaga. Pero sa mga ganito wala nga silang lane for walking. As you can see, 'di ba, sa bawat kalsada wala. Ojiva, lahat may car, bawat isa. Ayan, nandito na kami sa Litchfield Beach. So yung South and North Carolina more on siya coastal, nasa coastal kasi siya pesto. Diba, ang ganda. Wala kang nakikitang naglalakad dito guys. Wow, ang ganda. So we're here now in Georgetown guys. So beautiful. Ayan, dito na kami sa Georgetown. So titingin lang kami doon sa may shipyard. What is that, Daddy? Shipyard?
Yeah,
basta na mga boats. Ayan wow. Perfect. Private docks, only boat owners and guests allowed after dark. Okay. So we're not going to. Wow, ang ganda.
Taylor.
State record blue Merlin. Oh, see guys, ang laki ng angler.
I could drown a fish like that.
Wow. Yeah. Ayan yung ano, Inner Coast. This is Inner Coast.
Marina. Yeah.
Marine. This is my hotel, Captain Hotel.
We're gonna spend some time here looking at everything.
Yeah. Mga yate. Ang ganda. Si Daddy. Diba? Red yung water. Nasa Red Sea ba tayo? Up there. This is called Marina. Marina Summers. Char. O diba? Ang ganda dito guys. Sana makapili kami ng yate. Iniisipan ni Daddy na bumili ng yate. Dapat marunong char. Alam nyo ba guys na maliban tayo ay very hospitable and smiley person, ganun din yung mga dito, mga Amerikano. Kahit na hindi mo kakilala, once nag-start na yung conversation nyo from greeting each other, anekdom chuvanes na like, good morning, how are you? And then you're gonna start a conversation and then it ends with a friendship. Ganun dito. O diba? Dudi ko. Yan. Nandun sila. Yan, uwi na kami muna at saka pasyal-pasyal dito sa Georgetown. Ayan. Nagpa-picture na tayo doon sa landing. Ayan, ang tahimik dito guys sa mga neighborhood. Walang mga nagmamaritis sa mga bawat balcony nila. Kaya sa sala ay balcony pala. Diba? Sa atin, ang dami na ditong mga tao. May nagtatambay. Dito, naglalakad lang para sa mga aso katulad nun. No? Ang ganda dito sa Georgetown. Ayan, masyal-masyal kami dito. Ito nga pala yung mga dating design ng bahay. Sabi ni Daddy na may dalawang hagdanan tapos sa bawat bahay pag may up and down. Diba, napaka-silent. Silent ng surroundings.
I like that.
Yeah, I like that too. Oh, see the sweet potato?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a big house.
What's that kind of stairs?
It's Charlestonian architecture.
Okay, Charlestonian architecture daw.
That's from the 1700s.
Whoa. Prince Street. Ayan. Pasyal-pasyal lang kami guys.
These are slummy here though. It's for sale. Dang, we'd have to work hard on that one, wouldn't we?
Yeah. And guys, nandito yung pinaka more than 300 years na itong bahay na to. Tapos ito yung nakalagay na information about sa bahay, John and Mary Perry Cleland House. Ganda. Almost 300 years.
It was made a port of entry in 1782. Okay. Was created March 10th, 1721, and the parish church erected on Black River 1726 at the present Browns Ferry after Prince Frederick's parish was formed from Prince George's April 9th, 1784. The parish church was erected here 1787, 1750. The tower and chancel were added in 1824.
Wow. Typically, ayan, ito yung bayan ng Georgetown.
You have a Starbucks out?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, punta tayong kaming Starbucks.
Oh, they have a drive-through too.
We're gonna have coffee for a while.
So a big Starbucks in Okie dokie, frappuccino. What are you gonna get?
I have a brown sugar frappuccino, and for daddy is, what do you have?
Cafe mocha.
Cafe mocha.
But we
Okay.
can look. It doesn't cost anything to look. Looking is free.
Okay.
You remember this place we got off here and ate?
Mattress from where?
Now there's a Bob Evans I didn't know was here. That's where we ate
Yeah.
breakfast this morning. But we ate at the Boneless Wings here. Remember?
Okay, okay. Guys, we're here in Hamrex, and then the other side is the so-called Rose Mall siya, guys. Tindahan ng mga damit. Ayan, meron tayong nabili, guys. Tapos naghanap pa si daddy. Laging para sa akin, sa kanya. Sabi ko, sa kanya naman. O meron man siyang nakita na long sleeve for me. Okay. Ayan. Hanap natin si daddy. Saan ka si daddy? Where are you?
Mine's your shoe.
How much is it? Ayan, so pinamilihan namin is 117 almost.
We've had at least $6 on this.
Yeah, so we saved because of a weekend. There's a free tax, right? Here only at Rose. Dress for less. So I have a new dresses to wear. And thank you. And also I have this yoga mat. So super ano tayo exercise. Let's see.
We'll be working our stomachs off.
Yeah. Ayan, dito naman kami sa mga baka may mabibili sa mga gamit sa bahay. Everything here in Hamrex, right? Yeah. Ayan, nakakita naman si daddy ng jacket, guys. Binilhan na naman ako. Nakasale kasi. And guys, kabili naman kami ng jacket. Saan?
Saved $1.60
Hamrex.
in Texas.
Yeah, we saved.
Prescription.
Ayan, pauwi na kami. And then we're gonna drop by in the BJ's for some groceries needed in the house. Yeah. What's that plane yellow? It's a cargo?
It may be. We're near the airport. He didn't give us a receipt, did he?
Yeah. I think I remember after this bridge the beach is coming, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, on the left. And you have to put gas too. Pauwi na kami, pero dadaan na kami sa beaches.
BJ's card out of.
Ayan, magbi-BG na naman kami ni daddy. Ayan, naghahanap kami guys ng bond paper para sa office ni daddy. Ayan, nakabili na kami ng isang bulto, basta isang ganyan, guys. Ayan, maghapon na naman kami. Umalis kami kanina mga mag-alas 10, di ba? So mag-alas 5 na. Ewan ko kung makakapag-dinner pa kami dito sa bahay or kakain lang kami sa labas. We have pepper, cucumber, lemon, avocado. Ano daddy, bibili ka ba niyan? Bibigay mo sa akin? Ano ito na nuts ni daddy? Bili-bili naman siya ng nuts. We have peanuts and beef, chicken, of course the eggs.
4, 2, 1.
No,
1.
I think you press double time.
49.
Huh?
You press, okay. So baby,
9. 49.
si Daddy naman nag-push ng cart. Yeah, I forgot. Daddy, you like Bee Gees? Like niya ang Bee Gees. Mag-shopping, guys. Kala ko guys, Las Piñas, Las Palmas pala. Ayan, we're heading back home now. Yes.
Meeting our deadline, being finished.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.